fact, some of us were very much afraid that they will use this platform to do something. But God didn't allow them. Secondly, your birthday. Congratulations and happy birthday to you. We are biblically mandated and spiritually obligated to pray for you. You are the governor of River State. We owe you our prayers on a daily basis. I want to encourage you, hold on to God. Remain strong, remain firm, remain bold. Ignore abusers. As a leader, some persons can drink alcohol, begin to talk anyhow, to a governor. Don't mind them. You are the governor of River State. Focus on your vision for this state. We are with you in prayers and otherwise. As long as God remains on the throne, other matters will be handled.